God blesses both faith and diligence. God blesses faith, diligence, and bold actions. You were never meant to sit on the sideline and watch others live out their dreams. You were created with purpose, and now it is time to act on it. When you take bold steps, trusting in God, He has promised to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you can ask or think. Ephesians 3:20 says, "Now unto Him that is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us." God is not limited by your imagination or your plans. When you step out in faith, trusting His power working within you, He will accomplish more than you could ever dream. His plans for you are greater than your own, and He will guide your steps to surpass anything you could ask or think. Ecclesiastes 9:10 says, "Whatsoever thy hand findeth to do, do with thy might, for there is no work, no device, no knowledge, no wisdom in the grave whither thou goest." This scripture encourages us to put our full effort into the work we do with all our might. When you step out in faith, give your best, knowing that God will bless your diligence. He will honor your hard work and multiply your efforts. Both faith and diligent action go hand in hand in fulfilling God's purpose for your life. Take action, my friend, and trust in Jesus. Stay blessed.